Transform your Canon EOS Rp into a professional-grade webcam for your Mac and elevate your online presence with stunning, high-definition video. First, let's gather what you need: your Canon EOS Rp, a compatible USB-C to USB-C cable, and your Mac. The cable should ideally be one that supports data transfer, not just charging. Next, we need to download Canon's official webcam utility software. Open your web browser and search for Canon EOS Webcam Utility Mac and navigate to the Support or Downloads page on Canon's official website. Make sure to select the correct version for your Mac's operating system. Download and run the installer package. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. You might need to grant permissions during the installation process. Once installed, restart your Mac to ensure the software is recognized. Now, let's configure your camera. Turn on your Canon EOS Rp and set the mode dial to movie shooting mode. This is crucial for enabling webcam functionality. On your camera's menu, navigate to the communication settings or a similar section. Look for an option related to remote control or PC connection. Select PC connection and then choose enable. With your camera powered on and set to movie mode, connect your Canon EOS Rp to your Mac using the USB-C cable. Ensure it's plugged firmly into both devices. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application. In the settings, you should now see EOS Webcam Utility listed as an available camera source. Select it. You'll see your camera's live feed appear, already looking fantastic. If you encounter issues, double-check your USB cable. Ensure the camera is in movie mode and that PC connection is enabled in the camera's communication settings. A quick restart of both the camera and your Mac can also resolve many common problems. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy crystal clear, professional video for all your online interactions. Happy streaming and conferencing.